Hey everybody, this is Gina from AuntieGinasCucina. You gotta try this stuffed pork tenderloin. Your family's gonna love it. It is so easy, meat's tender, and it's so delicious. Come on, let's start this recipe. Okay, first thing we do is we have 3 cloves of garlic. I have the zest of half a lemon. And I'm gonna squeeze some of the lemon in here. And now I'm gonna pulse it. Okay, that's all done. I'm gonna get not even a quarter of a teaspoon of rosemary and some black pepper and pulse that even more, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of olive oil so it gets all that rosemary, and I'm gonna pulse it a little more. All right, now I'm gonna put about a cup of just plain breadcrumbs, all right? And pulse some more so you kind of get that wet paste. Okay, now see, it just looks like sand. So now I'm gonna get the pork ready. Okay, now this is my pork tenderloin. I cut it in half, flattened it. Okay, first we're gonna season with salt. Okay, here it is, and pepper. All right, not a lot. And now that sand is gonna go right in the middle of it. You don't have to use all of it. So now I'm gonna spread this around evenly. Okay, I spread it nice and even. I had sauteed some mushroom with garlic and oil. They are room temperature, we'll say, because you can't put hot and cold. So now I'm gonna fill the inside and I'm gonna show you how to tie it all up. Okay, got the twine. Start at the deep end and just first tie it into a knot. All right. It's not hard. And then you just go around, all right? And this side, slip it through and pull it tight, all right? Listen, first couple of times you're not gonna get, it'll be difficult, but then once you get the hang of it, it's really not that hard. I'm gonna do the rest of it and show you what it looks like. Okay, see, it's all tied. There's the stuffing. So now I am going to put it in a frying pan and sear from side to side. Come on, next step. All right, you see, it's seared on the other side. So now I got a half a lemon. And I'm gonna squeeze that into it, and I'm grabbing all the seeds. Because that's the one thing you don't really want, are the seeds. All right? A little bit of water, and this is where you wash your hands, and a little bit of white wine, all right? Now, toss it around. Now, low and slow. Put a lid on it, and just baste it every once in a while, and I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like.